What's new?
What's new?
Everything's new. We've had a great summer.
Our enrollment is up.
We have new programs.
We secured more grants.
All right. We have a new food pantry.
At the Brooklyn Park campus, I'm so excited to see it.
So many things going on.
So hey, how's work day?
Joe, did you hear that Joy wants us to do a funny video about Workday implementation for the workshop?
No, I did not.
And she wants to hear what we're going to do about it today.
Oh boy. You know, there's nothing funny about Workday. Here, take a look here. Am I supposed to be reporting to this faculty member at Riverland now?
I'm sure that's just a glitch. Do you know what a supervisory org is? I wonder if that's important. And why do I have 900 people reporting to me?
On those 900 people, we have 3 people we're paying $17 million a year. I think that's a little high.
Do we put in a work ticket for that, or?
I think so. Let's see. My work location is customized Plymouth, somewhere. That's not in our building plans or anything like that.
Oh, it looks like I'm working in customized Plymouth too. Wow, everybody is moving there, I guess.
Do you guys have anything for me yet?
We got nothing.
Hi, I'm Mark Johnson. I'm the Academic Dean of Building and Transportation. I'm back again. Let's look at the new plumbing and carpentry and cabinet making redesign. So this is the new plumbing space. They've painted. They're getting more materials in here. They're getting all of the space ready for students for the fall.
Please join me in welcoming some of our new faculty.
Welcome to One Stop.
Hi, my name is Torian Ami. I am the Interim Dean of Student Success, Equity and Inclusion here on the Brooklyn Park campus. Hennepin Technical College is excited to announce the food pantry that's coming in early fall, and also our student resource room. There'll be a bevy of needs that we will cover for students. For instance, in the food pantry, there'll be fresh fruits and vegetables. We will have non-perishable items. We'll also have frozen meats and lots of other things. There will be no appointment necessary for the student resource room or for the food pantry. Students can come whenever they want and take care of their particular basic needs. I'd like to give a shout out to Kara Garrett and Director Stephen Harper for both of these endeavors. We have what you will see here, which is our meditation and prayer room. Now, I want to be very clear. It does not matter what faith you are from, or if you are not at all specific to any faith, you can come here and meditate. You can come here and pray. Once again, Brooklyn Park, HTC. My name is Torian Ami. I am the Interim Dean of Student Success, Equity and Inclusion.
We made it. Let's go to workshop.